Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your XRP address in Binance. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu or dashboard. From there, select Fiat and Spot to access your cryptocurrency holdings and begin the deposit process. Next, within your Fiat and Spot wallet, use the search bar to find XRP. Once you locate Ripple, click on the deposit button associated with it. It's crucial to confirm that the selected network for your deposit is XRP or Ripple network to ensure your funds are sent correctly. You will now see your unique XRP deposit address. Alongside this, a destination tag, also known as a memo, will be displayed. Both the address and the memo are absolutely essential for a successful XRP deposit on Binance. Make sure to copy both accurately, as omitting the memo can lead to lost funds. Finally, paste both the copied XRP address and the destination tag into the corresponding fields of your external sending wallet or exchange. Before confirming the transfer, always double-check all the details to prevent any errors. Remember, accuracy is key for crypto transactions. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.